guys, I hope you will be fine and doing well. This is 2015 Toyota Auris, grey in color. Beautiful it is looking, with silver alloy rim is there with Toyota logo. Locking wheel nut, all the tires and rims are great in condition, no scratches or dent at all. Condition is fine, looking good, with beautiful front and rear headlights are there. Front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera, navigation, mobile phone connectivity, heated seats, and all the fundamental features are there in this Toyota Auris. It's grey in color. It's looking dark black, but it's grey in color. It is available at the Car Traders, which is in Romford, just opposite Romford's Cemetery in Crowland. Don't forget to explore the website of the Car Traders. The website link will be in the description box. Many vehicles are updated on the website, so you can check very easily on a single web page. 1.8 liter petrol electric hybrid engine is there, 64,000 miles on clock, and it has zero road tax, so you have to pay nothing in the name of road tax. Finance option is also available at the Car Traders. If you don't want to spend much, you're saving on a vehicle, so finance is available here. Let's have a look at the interior. So this is the driver's side door, 4 switches to control the window, and beautiful nice neat and clean dashboard is there. 64,923 miles on clock. The vehicle is on, engine is on at the moment, but it's electric hybrid, that's why it's not making any sound. Keyless push button start option is there. Some cruise control, media control is there. Even adaptive cruise control is there in this Toyota Auris. This is the front and rear wiper controller. The light controller is there just up to opposite side, the left side. Navigation reverse camera option is also there. Just have a look. When we put it in reverse, the reverse camera, parking sensors are working, and map navigation option is also there in this Auris. Heating and cooling system is awesome. Aircon is working fine with front and air demister. Front couple of seats are heated seats. Just have a look. Auxiliary cable, 5V USB, 12V RCT outlet option is there, and a couple of cup holders. Economy, power, EV mode option is also there in this Auris. Let's have a look at the rear doors. This is the right rear door. At both the rear doors we have automatic switches with bass boosted speakers. Even rear passengers have massive comfortable space for comfortable sitting. Leather seats are there. All the seats are leather covered seats. In between leather we have a grey fabric combination, quite comfortable while sitting, and massive trunk space is there. At the back, just have a look. Massive space is there. We can even bend down these rear benches if you need some more extra space. Moreover, spare tire is also there in this Toyota Auris. We can even bend down these rear benches if you need more extra space. This is the left rear door, which is just similar to right rear door. Beautiful leather covered seats. All the tires and rims are great in condition, no scratches or dent at all, so condition is good. This is finally the passenger side door, and a leather texture is there at the dashboard as well. Just have a look. Massive space is there in the glove box, center console, and so I hope you guys got it. This is the view with open doors. Every vehicle you will buy from the Car Traders will have mechanical warranty with breakdown cover. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you.
Come visit us today and discover why discerning drivers choose the Car Traders for all their automotive needs. Your dream car awaits, and we're here to help you find it.